be teaching you how to make a platform game from start to finish in GameMaker 8. Now this can be done without GameMaker Standard, and to show you this I am going to do a series of tutorials in GameMaker Lite. First we need to open up GameMaker. Right? As you can see, I have been working on a game, but that's because I was recording this exact video about a minute ago, but my recording limit exceeded. So just to save some time, I'm just going to run over what I did. Alright, now let me just close that, and then just finish off. Alright, let me just check the time off. Screw it. Alright, we've made a sprite. Alright, what you want to do is make a sprite by clicking on the Pac-Man. Alright, you should come up with this window. I have just got it as an apple just to save time, and called it s_player. It's not centered or anything, and it's not got a mask, and it's only got one sub-image. Okay. We have another sprite called s_wall, which is the exact same. Alright, except it's a wall. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I've made an object, which is what actually goes in the game. Alright, and you do that by clicking on the blue ball. And when rolled over, it says create an object. Alright, you want to click on that. Alright, and it comes up with this this window. Now I've called mine obj_player, and I've given it the apple for a sprite. I've ticked it to be solid, and it is visible. Its depth is at 0. It is not persistent, hasn't got a parent, and it hasn't got a mask. Now in the events, which you can make by clicking add an event, and then you come up with all these stuff. Oh, sorry. First, what you want to do is keyboard left. Damn it. Keyboard left. Then you want to set the horizontal speed to -6, self, and not relative. Okay. Hang on, what's that? That's right. Alright. Now we want to do the same for right, so we want to go keyboard right, so add event keyboard right, and then set the horizontal speed, but for this one you want it at 6 because negative numbers go to the left and positive numbers go to the right. Alright, now one more event, which is keyboard no key, which if I just show you, it's at the bottom, second one from the bottom. Alright, you want to move in the move tab, you want it to have move fixed and you want it to be clicked on the square. Alright, at a speed of 0, not relative, and applies to self. Okay, now this is where I got to, and the recording stopped, so if this loads, alright, we've got another. Ooh, there we've got time. Alright, we have an object which we want to call obj. Underscore wall. Give it the wall sprite. Make him solid. We don't want to give him any events because that'll glitch the game. That will give it loads of bugs later on. Alright. So now we come back into the object, obj player, and then add a collision event by clicking on these two arrows that are hitting each other. Alright, we then click on obj wall, and then what we want to happen is to have move to contact. Okay, drag in there. Now in direction, you want to put in direction maximum at 12, and against solid objects, and it applies to self. Okay. Hello, where's my timing at? Alright, I don't know what the timing is at, so I'm going to hang on, never mind. Alright, my video is actually about to end because I've got about 20 seconds, so I will see you in the second part of part 1 of this series of tutorials on how to make a platform game in GameMaker 8. Alright, in the next episode I will be teaching you on how to put them into a room. Alright, so for now, see you later, see you in the next video.